A Turtle's Guide to Joining In. Have you ever seen a group of friends having the best time and really wanted to join in, but you felt a little too shy or didn't know what to say? In a sparkling, clear river, a little turtle named Tilly was feeling that exact wobbly feeling in her shell. Tilly was a sweet and gentle turtle. She loved watching the river otters, a boisterous and happy family named Oliver, Poppy, and Perry. They were the best players in the world. Their favorite game was River Stone Relay, where they would pass a smooth gray stone to each other, zipping and splashing through the water. It looked like the most fun thing ever. Every day, Tilly would hide behind a big, leafy fern, her heart thumping with the desire to play. She wanted to join in so badly, but a big, scary thought always stopped her. What if they say no? One sunny afternoon, the otters' game was more exciting than ever. They were laughing and splashing, and Tilly's feet wiggled with the urge to join. Just then, a wise old crawfish named Caspian, who had seen Tilly hiding day after day, scuttled over. "It is hard to join a race when you are standing still, little one," he said in a kind, clicking voice. "But what do I say?" Tilly whispered, her head tucked shyly into her shell. "I can't just swim over there. They're already playing." "Ah," said Caspian, "you are trying to open a door without a key. The secret key to joining any game has 3 simple parts. It's called the watch, wait, and ask key," he explained. "First, you watch what they are doing. See the rules of the game. See who is fast and who is clever." Tilly peeked through the leaves. She saw that Oliver was the fastest, but Perry was the best at catching. "Next," Caspian continued, "you wait for a small pause in the game, a moment when someone drops the stone, or when they stop to catch their breath. You never interrupt the best part of the action." Tilly watched, and soon she saw Oliver drop the stone. For just a moment, the game paused. "And now for the most important part," Caspian clicked. "You swim over, you smile, and you ask a helpful question. You don't say, 'Can I play?' You say, 'That looks like so much fun. Do you need another player?' It shows you were watching and it offers them a choice." Tilly's heart was still beating fast, but now she didn't just have fear. She had a plan. She took a deep, bubbly breath and swam out from behind her fern during the next little pause. She swam up to the otters, a shy but friendly smile on her face. "Wow," she said, her voice a little shaky. "That looks like so much fun. Do you need another player for your team?" Oliver, Poppy, and Perry stopped and looked at her. "We never thought of having another player," Oliver chattered excitedly. "Your strong, flat shell would make a great goalpost for us to swim around." "Yes," squeaked Perry. "You can be on my team." A wave of happiness washed over Tilly, warmer than the sun on her shell. It wasn't scary at all. It was wonderful. She wasn't just watching the fun anymore. She was part of it. She learned that the bravest and most magical key in the world is the one that helps you unlock a new friendship. And while Tilly the turtle learned the secret to joining a new game, a grumpy little garden gnome was about to learn a very different lesson about what happens when someone shows you unexpected kindness. Subscribe to Storiella so you don't miss his story.